Alright, here you guys are going to see that this is the payment of 237,000 naira. So if I scroll down a little bit again, you're going to see another payment of 71,000 naira and another payment of 56,000 naira, 300 naira from this guy called AY Sport. And if I scroll down a little bit right here, you're going to notice that a lot of people are really making money from this secret website that I'm going to be showing you right here in this video. So you can see right here, this is 51,000 naira, this is 38,500, this is 33,000 naira, this is 32,000 naira. If I keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, you're going to see a lot of payment proof right here from people that have been earning massive money right here from the secret website. So in today's video, I'm going to be literally walking you through how you can literally make close to 10,000 naira by just using your smartphone. But before I literally dive into the video, let me quickly show you guys something real. Come over right here. You guys are going to notice that this is the balance of 6,000 naira right here, literally withdraw into my first bank account, and this money was literally sent by the website I'm going to be showing with you right here in this video. If this is the first time of streaming right here on YouTube, my name is Ola, and what I literally do right here on YouTube is literally walk you through how you could literally make money online. So if you're someone which are interested in making money online, I'm going to advise you smash that subscribe button right here and turn on the notification bell. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do right here is just head over to this website right here. So all you need to do right here is to create an account. If you know you haven't created an account, so you could just click on this menu button right here. So once you click on this menu button right here, you're going to be seeing this sign up button / login button. So just click on the sign up button right here. Then they're going to be asking you right here to put in your first name, your last name. Then you're going to ask to input your username. Then you're going to be filling out your email address. Then you're going to be choosing your password right here. And also you're also going to be asked to choose if you're an earner or an advertiser. So I'm going to ask you to go with the earner option right here. So once you are done with that right here, you're going to ask you for your referral code. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving the referral code in the video description right here. Then once you're done with that, just click on this register button right here. So once you click on the register button right here, so they're going to send an email verification right here to your email right here. They're going to ask you to verify your account. So once you're done verifying your account is going to be up and run. So once you're done verifying your account right here, this is how your account is going to look like. You're going to be seeing your dashboard right here. You're going to be seeing your total balance. And you can see right here, I got zero balance right here. And the reason is because I just created a new account for the purpose of this tutorial. So once you're done creating an account right here on this website, the first thing you need to do right here is to link your bank account. And in order for you to link your bank account right here, all you need to do right here is to head over to this menu button right here. So once you head over to this menu button right here, you're going to be going over to the payment option right here. So once you click on the payment option right here, it's going to give you the ability right here to link your bank account right here to this website. So just go down a little bit right here. You're going to see this section where you'll be asked to add your bank account. So once you click on add a bank account right here, you'll be able to fill out your bank account number. Then you're going to be selecting the name of your bank. Then once you're done with that, you're going to be clicking on verify this account detail. So I know a lot of you guys might be kind of be wondering, okay, Ola, what are we going to be doing right here on this website? So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be literally completing simple tasks on your phone right here, and you're going to be getting paid for that. So this task will literally range from doing micro tasks like following someone on Instagram, subscribing to someone's YouTube channel, or even going over to Spotify right here to stream a song, or going over to Boomplay right here to stream a song. And again guys, there are enough tasks that you guys could literally complete right here on this website. But before literally driving into walking you through step by step everything you need to know about this app right here, let me quickly show you guys something real quick. If I head over to Trustpilot right here and I type in the name of the app right here, you guys are going to notice that this app has over 5-star reviews. So if I come over right here, you can see right here, this guy is literally giving this app right here 5-star review, and this guy came from Nigeria. You can see right here his location is from Nigeria, and this guy literally just wrote this review right here just 5 days ago to tell you right here that the website I'm about to share with you right here, it's something that is paying you guys, and I've earned a lot of money right here from this website. And the reason I'm really showing you guys this is for those of you right here that may kind of be thinking, oh, okay, this website is a scam and all of that and that and that. So to tell you right here that this website is really legit. So if I scroll down a little bit right here, you're gonna see another 5-star right here, you're gonna see another 3-star right here, 3-star right here, 2-star right here, another 5-star right here. And you can see right here, all these guys are literally coming from Nigeria. You can see right here, this guy is called James right here, and he says that this company is really doing well and they are very helpful. You can see right here. So if you just go through their review right here, you're gonna see that there are a lot of review right here from people coming from Nigeria. And you can see right here, this person wrote that if you are looking for the easiest and one of the simplest way to earn real money online, then this website is for you, because you're gonna be literally satisfied with all the offer that are gonna be offering you right here on this website. So with all that said right here, the next thing you need to do right here is to start completing the task. And in order for you to start completing the task right here, all you need to do right here is to link your social media account right here to this website. And in order for you to do that, just click on the menu bar. So once you click on this menu bar right here, just head over to the social media icon right here. So once you head over to the social media icon right here, you're gonna be seeing this option right here where you'll be able to add your social media account. So if you scroll down a little bit, you just click on add social media account. So you're gonna be reading their instruction right here. So you literally says that in order for you to add your social media account, you need to like literally put your username, that is the username you have used to register on this website, in your social media bio. So you need to just copy your username, then head over to your Instagram account, then paste in your username right here in your bio. So you could just literally follow the instruction right here. Then once you're done with that right here, you'll be able to add your social media account to this website. And again, guys, this is how much these guys are going to be paying you right here to complete simple tax right here on their website. So you can see right here that different kind of tax you could literally do right here. So if I come over right here, you guys are going to notice that this Apple Music like right here, they're going to be paying you 4 naira for that. All you need to do right here is just head over to Apple Music right here and just like a music. And again, they're going to be paying you 15 naira right here for you to just stream an Apple Music song right here. All you need to do right here is just head over to Apple Music, then stream a song. There are a lot of tax you could do right here from Apple Store download, Apple Store review. There are a lot of tax right here, audio mark comment right here, because I know a lot of you guys literally listen to music right here, and this is the best opportunity right here for you to start making money for what you love. So if you know you really love to listen to music right here, you could literally get paid right here on this website by literally doing what you love. So guys, if you know you're getting any value so far from this video, I'm gonna advise you smash the subscribe button right here, like the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So scrolling down a bit right here, you're gonna see Boomplay follow right here, Boomplay stream. So if you go stream a song on Boomplay right here, they're gonna be giving you 20 naira, they're gonna give you 7 naira, 4 naira, 5 naira, 5 naira. I know this kind of not be much right here, but with time right here, it's gonna be adding up, and you're gonna be making a lot of money right here from this website. If I literally come over to my calculator right here and let's just do the math right here, let's just say we are getting paid like 20 naira per every single tax we complete. So if I times in 20 naira right here times 100 tax right here, so I only need to complete 100 tax a day for me to get paid 2,000 naira straight into my account, and this is just soft 2,000 naira straight into your account. And again, guys, your problem with all of this website right here is that you guys are kind of lazy. You guys don't want to put in the work, and that is the reason why so many of you guys are not literally making money online. To make money online is not an easy task. You need to go into it fully. You need to start grinding a lot for you to start making money right here from this platform. Making money online right here is not for the lazy people. I'm not like all the different YouTubers that are going to be telling you that you could literally make money by just copying and paste on this website and all of that. No, I'm going to be telling you the facts right here. And again, guys, it literally took me over 2 weeks right here for me to be able to make over 6,000 naira I should to you guys right here. And the reason is because, you know, I do not have time right here, because it's not easy going to school and also, you know, being a content creator at the same time. It's kind of a little bit stressful. So I'm just trying to make my balance right here to make the two work for me. If you are someone that's kind of less busy or you have some spare time right here, then this is a good opportunity for you right here to make money online from this website. If you could literally dedicate at least maybe 5 or 6 hours of your time right here to this website, then you're gonna be making close to like 10,000 naira a day or even a week right here on this website. Again, guys, in order for you to start making a lot of money right here on this website right here, you are gonna ask to verify your account, and in order for you to verify your account, it's gonna be costing you 1,000 naira. And you guys might be thinking, oh, am I gonna be paying money to join this website? Yes, you're gonna be paying money to join this website. And again, you're just paying 1,000 naira, which is 1,000 naira is not quite a lot of money, because literally, if you could literally activate your account with just 1,000 naira, you're gonna be making a lot of money right here. Like the evidence I showed you guys from the beginning of the video, there are some people that is making over 300,000 naira from this website, and all they need to just invest right here or to just do right here is to just deposit 1,000 naira into their account right here to start making money online. So this 1,000 naira could actually be the money that's going to change your life forever. And you guys know that the Christmas is around the corner right here, and if you could start making money right here on this website right here, you'll be able to fulfill all your Christmas need, take care of your family right here, and also chill. All you need to do right here is just click on this activate account button right here, then you'll be able to like make a transfer right here to them. So once you're done with that right here, your account is gonna be activated, and once your account is activated right here, you're gonna be seeing a lot of tax that you could literally complete right here. And I could bet you guys that you're gonna be literally making a whole lot of money than the 1,000 naira you're gonna be using to activate your account. And by the way, you could literally decide to pay with bank transfer, or you could just literally pay with your card. And again, guys, if you know you found the video helpful, I'm gonna advise you, please smash the subscribe button right here, turn on the notification right here to join the family right here. So anytime I drop another awesome video about making money online, you're gonna be the first person right here to be notified right here on YouTube. Also, don't forget to go join our WhatsApp community down in the description right here, and also the link to the website I just mentioned right here in this video is also going to be down in the description, or you could just go over to the pinned comment section above right here to go create an account for yourself. So guys, if you know you are interested in more website that you could use to make money online for yourself, I'm going to advise you click the video right here popping out right here on your screen right here, and I'm going to see you guys in the video.